Yeah, this is definitely interesting. I fed myself. I figured out how to keep us warm. I think I do very well in the apocalypse, Texas. Let's definitely do this again, except with no snow. I hate snow.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
Alright, it's currently day 2 of the snowpocalypse. I have no power, including heat, but I do have water. Happy about that. Blessed. Hashtag blessed. Right now it is currently 2 p.m. I have stayed under the thick 4 layers of blankets, including this big heavy one, since 5 in the morning. And I am hungry now, so I'm going to attempt to drive in this half-melted snow and find me some pizza, because I want pizza. My lovely babies, that's you. Gotta get out of my room. Alright, so update. This is probably not the best route to go. I'm gonna freaking fall. I messaged my dad after I came back from Target that I could really use my generator because I left it at his house because I was like, I'm not gonna need it anytime soon. You're probably gonna need it more than I do because your battery keeps dying. And then he freaked out and he was like, what happened? And I was like, hey, I lost power again. And he was like, well, come over to my house because we haven't lost power. And then I remembered how fucking great it must be to be a part of the military. So they literally have not lost heat or power or anything the entire storm for more than a minute because they live near the military bases. And so I got my crate for my cats. I gotta pack as much as I can so we can go. I'm turning off excess light switches so that way when power does come back on, only the heater will function. So that way my plant babies only have to worry about that. And they'll be warm throughout the night. This dude is being really sketch. I would rather us be in a warm place where they are okay and not freaking out, especially my older cat Smokey, instead of us curling up under 7 blankets every night until stupid o'clock in the afternoon to stay warm. So I got their stuff. I did leave the heater on the recommended amount that San Antonio has asked, so that way other Texans who don't have the opportunity to leave can get some heat as well for hours on end. I just make sure that it is regulated at a decent temperature. I think the temperature I have the heater regulating it to is about 60 degrees because my plants can survive in that when the heat does kick back on. So you have my bag with my essentials, including my laptop and laptop charger, and you have that is my purse that I take with my essentials, and then of course security.
Hi, babies. Look, they just so happen to be coming. Hi. Oh, you're gonna go straight in the cage? Go ahead. Go straight in the cage. Come on. In. Get in. Get in. No. Get in. Oh my god, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be.
It's okay, my Salem. It's alright. Why can't... See, Smokey's being calm. You need to lay down. Lie down.
So I made it to my dad's house, and my room. This is my room. Or at least I call it my room. It was never my room, but of course we have power and heat, and that is my closet. And then I have the cats in the bathroom because they threw up on each other. What is it?
Toilet soap.
What?
It goes in the shower.
Okay.
I was gonna put it in there.
You need to learn how to knock in my room.
OMG.
I don't
This
just
is
walk
your
in
room.
your room.
Yes, you do.
I don't just walk in your room. Get out
Yes, you do.
of my room. Anyways.
move over. You need to clean yourself off if you expect to leave this bathroom, ma'am. So, there's Smokey. Yeah, she's covered in throw up. And inside that door crack, that's my Salem. Anyways. So this is where my kids are right now until they figure out how to calm down. How did you get under there with your toe beans? You're not small enough to fit. Oh, I thought you weren't. How did you get under there? I don't know either. She's crazy. I look absolutely terrible this morning because I did not get to shower, but it's currently Friday morning. I'm packing up so I can head out. I'm tired. I just want to go home. So we'll see how that works. So the good news is we're home. None of the pipes bursted. And we have electricity. And it is currently, oh my god, she looks terrible. It is currently about to be 1 p.m. So kind of happy. Okay, so here's a real quick rant on what's going on in my life. Everything's a fucking mess. The world is on fire. I hate everything here. I hate the way that I'm living my life because it's always rush, 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 go, 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 stress, 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 crash. Okay, but that's apparently how I live my life, and there's no way out of it because that would require financial stability, which I don't have no matter where I turn. And I'm like, I'm just gonna fucking live. Everything is on fire, the world's on fire, we're all gonna die, it's fine. Anyways, so I couldn't find my jacket because everything's a mess and I'm packing, so I had to use this very professional one which does not match my outfit at all, which is really stressful. I have to make money because I couldn't go anywhere this week, and I lost about 4 or 5 days of work, so I have to figure out how to remake that so I can afford my bills, so I can afford to live. So I can afford my down payment and my monthly rent on this house. I also have to do my thesis. Why did I write on such small papers? I don't know. But let's continue to make my life a mess. I need to do this thesis for my capstone, which is crazy because I don't understand any of it, because for some reason, I just decided to choose a subject that has nothing to do with what I studied for the past 5 years, because I'm getting 2 degrees in one, like a dumbass, a master's and a bachelor's at the same time, and I'm like, why the fuck did I do that? I don't know, but get this, although my concentration is communication, media studies, with an emphasis in film production, my capstone is on sustainability. My capstone is on sustainable lighting to reduce the harmful effects and crimes happening on campus in the dark to female students. Very limited research. I'm filming! Give me a second! Yeah, you can have all of it if you want. Kind of ruined my rant, but yeah. All right, so today I went to do Uber at 4 a.m. morning. I did pretty well. This is my outfit. Tiffany's taking me to go get my nails done.
I have no idea what you're listening to.
You're definitely going on this next vlog. guys, it matches my nails. It's so pretty. I'm in love. And my phone too, but I can't show you my phone because I'm like filming on it. But yes, I needed this. And look at my toes. My car's dirty, but never mind. That's foot porn and y'all didn't pay for it. Can we just discuss the fact that I literally took Orpheus to get washed yesterday and it's currently drizzling. It's going to rain on my baby, but they put my ride or dies in the front seat in a seatbelt. I didn't even have to. God, I love my new wash tub area because like they know me and they care. So I don't remember if I showed you guys, but my package came in. I know I have to go to the chiropractor. I know that I'm running late, but I want to show you guys this because it is super cute and I've been waiting on it since like November. It was supposed to be in. My car's a mess back there. It was supposed to be in that week. It wasn't in that week. It's a purse, but it's shaped like a mushroom dollhouse. And the door opens, and I love it. I'm keeping it forever. It was originally supposed to be a gift, but Christmas is over, and it's mine now. It's handmade. It's super cute. I feel like this is gonna go with a future look because I got plans, which reminds me I do have to message True Mandy and ask her what is going on with our video for you guys. But stick around for that. I'm super excited. So it's 3 p.m. I got my assigned parking spot, so that's kind of cool. Don't have my keys yet, but hopefully eventually I will get my keys because I want to move in already. But yeah, I'm just kind of wandering around right now. Hopefully I'll get my keys eventually, but I'll show you the apartment complex in a bit. Bye. Okay. So we're outside of my apartment complex, and this is actually my washer dryer unit, which is kind of cool. But this is as much space as I got for my backyard and all of my plants. So what I'm thinking is I'm putting all of my rose bushes here, and then everything else in here. I'm gonna have to move rocks, not gonna lie. And then I have that tiny little area right there. Don't know what's gonna go there. Maybe some flowers. Who knows? But here's my bay window. And yeah, here's the courtyard that I'm not going to show much of because safety reasons. This is the one I chose. This is my kitchen. Real okay, it's alright, it's decent, it's not the best, but this stove is trash to be honest, but I love my apartment. I'm not tripping. It's kind of cute, not gonna lie. Just adorable. I think this is the light right here. Then you have my bay window, of course. My dining room, which is gonna be my sewing room because I don't need a dining room. And then coming this way, you have my living room, my lovely fireplace, another bay window, which I'm super excited about. That's where my gold mirror is gonna be. And then from there, you go down the hall. I'm not gonna lie, low key, I'm gonna put some sort of something over these doors because they're ugly, but whatever. This first door is obviously my bedroom. I don't know what that is. AT&T stuff, wonderful. So this is my bedroom. Someone gave me apparently not one, but 2 mirrors, both very ugly. I'm gonna have to change this door. I don't like the brown, but a plug right there apparently. This is my closet. Oh, we just opening on our own, okay.
Okay, here's my closet. It's very big and spacious, and I love it. Obviously, my shoes are gonna go right there. I have enough room for things that I can put up there. I have 2 hanging, so plenty of room, plenty of space. I might need to put like some sort of little drawers here for the rest of my clothes that go in a drawer. Yeah, I'm kind of happy. There's a couple things, of course, I obviously need to do to this apartment, but I'm not tripping because that's gonna be easy. I need to measure to make sure my bed fits. I think I already measured. Actually, never mind. Anyways, here's another door. Obviously, you have your AC unit, which is kind of ugly, but whatever. It's not like I'm ever going in here. Then, another closet. There's gonna be another storage unit. Not sure what I'm gonna put in here. Probably just storage, to be honest, and my coats. And then in here, I guess I don't have a light in this closet. They gave me a plunger. It'd be nice to have a light in here. I might need to figure something out about that. Oh wait, why did I turn that off? That's lights in my bathroom. Here's my bathroom. I forgot that the tub was on this side. This is where I'm hanging my little thing. She should have painted that counter too. I'm not gonna lie, but whatever. More hanging space, which is cool. Let's see, a window, more hanging space, perfect for me. A lot of cabinet space, a lot of sink space. This, which is ugly. Okay, are you gonna go up or? All the way, friend. Okay. Yeah, this is my new apartment. And even better.
Love y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. Thank you for coming along with me to this moving vlog part, probably 367. This is the final one. Perhaps in a couple months I will update you on how the apartment's going. I hope everything's gonna be to my vision because I have a very good idea of how I want it to be. This is super exciting because I've never had an apartment to myself. I get to design it the way that I want, and with my style change and everything, I get to explore things. So I'm super excited about that. Just know that I love you guys always and forever, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and of course follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay. I'll see you later.